Hey Lamont, I have this Lasko Premium. You have one, but you had the blade swapped on it, like you said. This one has the original blade. This is a 2017 model. This was bought in brand new condition. In the box. There's no problems whatsoever with this fan. Runs good. The feet are in perfect condition. And let me show you the date. See, it says 2016 to 17, so it's a 2017 model. So this is a good fan here. The handle on this one's original. It's not even broken at all. This is bought in 2020. In the early summer at a hardware store. They sell them. It does run great. My camera's all blurry. There we go. Okay, now let's start it up. Here's low. And this one does have a startup noise. Oh my gosh. It's moving. Moving some air. And yes, that fan over there has, the bearings are great on it now. Let's kick it up on medium. There we go. This one has in his boom out power. Now then high. As you can see how much air it's moving. Oh man, this premium box fan's awesome. I know you have one, Lamont, including you, Jordan. I don't think Jordan has one, but now spin down. Now this one has a good spin down. Not as long as that one, but okay. Here's the back. Side. There's no holes whatsoever for the wheelie stand. Now front. Lasko. And this is the premium. Subscribe to Lamont, subscribe to me, and subscribe to Jordan, including Tori. All these fan collectors out there, subscribe to all of them, including me. Everyone. Spots Bear, Super Fan Man, everyone. Including Lamont. And me and Jordan. And Lamont. I'll see y'all later and have a good one. God bless y'all and